We are a species obsessed with the present. We build for the next year or the next decade. But deep within the cold heart of mountains, or buried miles beneath the shifting sands, some are building for a future that may never include us. This is the architecture of the end. Hidden fortresses of steel and concrete, designed to protect our most precious secrets from war, plague, and time itself. These are not merely bunkers. They are humanity's ultimate backup plans. In a world that could end tomorrow, these vaults are built to last for thousands of years. Today, we step inside the most forbidden, secure, and colossal structures ever created. Welcome to the silence of the final vaults. Our journey begins just 1,300 kilometers from the North Pole, on the frozen island of Svalbard. Rising from the side of a jagged mountain is a massive triangular entrance of raw concrete. This is the Svalbard Global Seed Vault. It is not designed to protect people, but something far more vital for our survival: the genetic memory of our crops. Inside, hundreds of meters deep in the permafrost, millions of seed samples are stored at a perfect -18 degrees Celsius. This is the ultimate genetic safety net, a fortress built to survive nuclear war, asteroid impacts, and rising sea levels. It is a sterile, freezing cathedral holding the promise of rebirth for a world that has failed. Next, we move to the granite massif of the Colorado Rockies. Hidden inside the solid rock is perhaps the most heavily defended structure on Earth, the Cheyenne mountain complex. This is not a building, it is a full city carved into the mountain. Its purpose? To survive a direct 25 megaton nuclear strike. Two massive 15-ton steel doors seal the complex, capable of withstanding the end of the world. Inside, the massive computer rooms and command centers are built on giant springs, suspended to absorb the shockwaves of an apocalypse. For decades, it was the nerve center of North American aerospace defense. Today, it remains a shadow city, waiting for a war that it was designed to survive. Returning to the Arctic, we find another vault, just a few meters away from the seeds. This is the Arctic World Archive. But instead of genetic code, this facility protects our digital legacy. This is a fortress for information. Inside, on special, ultra-durable analog film, the world's most vital data is stored. From masterpieces of art and literature to national constitutions and scientific breakthroughs. It is designed to preserve this information for over 500 years, even if all other servers go down. This is the quietest library on Earth, a safe, frozen home for everything that makes us human, waiting to be rediscovered by whoever or whatever comes next. Our next vault is hidden not by stone or ice, but by history itself, the Vatican Apostolic Archive. This is not a fortress, but a secret. Deep beneath the ancient streets of the Vatican, an underground bunker protects some of the most sensitive documents in human history. Over 85 kilometers of shelves hold letters from Michelangelo, the trial records of Galileo, and the secrets of powerful empires. This is a labyrinth of paper, guarded by some of the world's tightest security. It is the repository of a truth that has been shaped, hidden, and protected for centuries. This is a vault where information is not just stored, it is entombed. Next, we find the ultimate stronghold for modern treasures, the Swiss Fort Knox. Hidden deep within two secret locations in the Swiss Alps, this is a fortress built for data and gold. It is constructed from solid rock and massive concrete supports capable of withstanding nuclear blasts. Its security is a maze of biometric locks, biometric hand scanners, and electromagnetic shielding. It is one of the world's most secure digital storage facilities, designed to protect data from hackers, earthquakes, and time itself. This is the modern definition of a fortress, a quiet, cold machine that ensures that even if a nation falls, its assets will remain intact. These final vaults are more than engineering marvels. They are mirrors of our darkest fears and our highest hopes. They show that while we accept our own mortality, we desperately cling to the idea that something of our world, our knowledge, our culture, our future, must survive us. We build these silent fortresses not to conquer, but to remember. Which of these vaults do you think is the most vital for our future? Let us know in the comments. And subscribe as we continue to step inside the architecture of silence.